YouTube, man, what up? It's your boy Hemi Meats, and back again with another video for y'all, man. As y'all can see, let me show y'all some. Look at that. Your boy got tire pressure sensors in his freaking tires now, bro. When I went and got these tires, they came with some, but I guess they, I don't know what the fuck was going on with them. So that was how many months ago I had these wheels? I don't know. It don't really matter. All that matters is we got it done now. So yeah, it's been very much long overdue. But basically, I wanted to give y'all a small POV, not nothing too crazy. As y'all can see, SRT pages are flipped back and forth. Answer some of y'all questions, because I know I've been getting questions. Do you lose your SRT pages? The answer is no, you don't. Let's get up out of here. I'm trying not to tear nothing up. But yeah, y'all, so I just recorded a video a couple minutes ago, and I was watching a video, and I had the microphone on. And let me tell y'all, oh gosh. Let me tell y'all, the microphone was voice isolated. I didn't know that. It didn't pick up any car sounds at all, bro. And I'm like, okay, that's pretty cool, like, to have like that feature, you feel me? I ain't know it was noise canceling, voice canceling, whatever the fuck you call it. I ain't know it was canceling out the like that. It was crazy. Like, that's valid. Like, it wasn't picking up no other sounds but my voice, you feel me? So anyways, that would have been a very boring video, and I was gonna put it out, and I was like, no, that's gonna be pretty boring. Let me let y'all hear the car, even though I got a nasty ass exhaust leak sound. We gonna get that taken care of Saturday, so y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that video. Today is Thursday. Today is Wednesday night. So Saturday, we gonna take it to one stop, the shop that we always go to. We gonna get that nasty exhaust leak fixed, or even if it is the exhaust leak, that's what I feel like it is, something cracked under there, because it sounds nasty. So we gonna go ahead and get that fixed. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Let me know what y'all think about the videos. Let me know what y'all think about the content. I got more content coming. I just been doing like little tedious stuff, small bits and pieces of the tedious stuff. I am gonna put the AutoZone clip when I stopped at AutoZone in here. I was talking about some windshield wipers, so it can be a little crystal clear, but ain't nothing really wrong with these. So I don't know, we gonna see. But yeah, I'm gonna put that clip in here right now, and then I guess I'm gonna finish giving y'all a POV after I insert that clip. So this video could be pretty lengthy, you feel me? Yeah, we're gonna be talking about, so I don't remember what I was talking about on that video necessarily, but I'm still gonna insert that clip and get y'all this POV. I'm gonna get y'all, I don't know if I want to do a pool because it is wet, but as y'all can see, hold on, let me go down. We are in all-wheel drive mode, you feel me? All-wheel drive mode on the car. So all right, so hopefully y'all can hear me still. I'm in AutoZone, and I'm thinking about getting some of these again, but definitely not for here, because look at the price on those. Those are crazy. That's crazy price. Look at this. They got this now. That shit is ugly. Not feeling that. What is this? Oh, I guess it's like a all-in-one. I do want a new gear shifter. I'm tired of the gear shifter that I have in my car. So I might, you know what? I might end up wrapping mine in the suede that I have. I'm not sure yet. Just a thought, honestly. Just to make it look different. Y'all. I be seeing people with like these badges on their cars, man. Like, I just gotta ask, like, why? All right, so I was looking at the wipers and definitely not feeling the wipers, bro, because they come like it's not a pack. I thought it would be a pack, but it looks like one wiper just comes in it. On Amazon, you can get this for like $20 for like two of them. You feel me? As a pack, and it lets you know if it fits your car or not. But that's just that. Oh, let me show y'all too. Also, for everybody who asks, what I use for my Chrome Delete. Let me show y'all the paint real quick that I use for my Chrome Delete. Oh, look at these lights. These lights might come in handy. No, I'm just buying shit at this point. Cause I got a headlamp, but I never use it. What a paint at? So I can show y'all this paint that I use. No paint this way. Hey, honestly, y'all, I was thinking about getting a roof rack this summer for my car. Let me know what y'all think down in the comment section down below about a roof rack. Because I definitely was thinking about a roof rack. Don't ask why. I just felt like that should have looked cool as hell. Yeah, I better come get y'all some clubs, man, for y'all cars, man. Keep y'all cars protected, man. Get y'all some clubs. Or come to me and get your kill switch, because I'll get you right on the kill switch. But I can't find the paint right now, which is very weird. Yeah, I can't find the paint right now. So, and I don't feel like talking to nobody right now. So, yeah, that's crazy. I don't see the paint in her. Oh, my dumb ass. That shit right there. All right, y'all. So, hey, last tips. My exhaust tip's way bigger than that. My exhaust tip's about. This is a 3 point. This can't be no 3.5. This is probably a 3.5. Anyways, let me show y'all the exact paint I use. This is the paint that I use for my Chrome Delete. Right here, y'all. This is the paint that I use for my Chrome Delete. That and this for the matte. You feel me? The way that shit lay so perfect, y'all. But yeah, that shit lay perfect. All right, y'all. So we back outside, AutoZone, and yeah, we wasn't finna buy them high priced ass blades, but we go ahead and get y'all a startup real quick. Oh, that exhaust leak's getting worse. I could definitely hear it. I'm gonna get that taken care of this Saturday. If I don't get the X pipe, then I'm getting something done. I'm getting something done. That's all I know. I'm gonna get that exhaust leak fixed. I do know that for sure. For sure. So glad all the damn snow is melting, man. And then I checked the weather for next week, bro. It's supposed to be 50 degrees in Chicago and sunny, bro. And sunny. That's good. That's good. Yeah, so all right, let me roll that window up because my ear is getting cold as hell. My ear cold as fuck right now having that window down. Slow down. Slow down. Let me make this a little darker, y'all. tad bit dark. As y'all can see, I don't know if y'all can see it. Hold on, look. My red came off. No, it's all right though. It actually looked better without the red. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section down below if y'all like the red or if y'all like the godly. Let me pay attention to these potholes. Let's make this light real quick. Let me stop at this gas station up here, man, so I can give y'all a walk around of the car, man. This motherfucker looks crazy in the rain. This car looks crazy in the rain. So I'm gonna stop, give y'all a quick walk around real quick. Then we're gonna get back in and finish enjoying the POV. But I gotta let y'all see this car, man. I can't go too long without letting y'all not see it, you feel me? Like y'all gotta see it. Yeah, but that mic I got, that shit would be valid for when I do that mic would be valid for when I do another mod list when my car is when I have more mods added, because I will be doing a mod list part 3 because, you know, I just keep getting more and more mods. Hold on, let me change this to that because the window is fogging up. Alright, y'all. Let me park real quick so I can show y'all this bad boy. Let me park real quick so I can show y'all this bad boy. Ugh. Alright, car's all parked up. Alright, let me go get y'all a look. Turn that up so this motherfucker defrost the damn windows, man. Oh, look at that Jeep. Look at the red with the gold on the Jeep, bro. Alright. Get y'all a walk around of this. All right, y'all, so right now we currently in cinematic mode, and y'all let me know what y'all think about this camera angle so y'all could get a better view of the car. Oh yeah, let me know what y'all think about the front lip splitter, whatever. You know, let me know if y'all like it. I have a gloss black one, the same one at home right now. I don't know if I want to, I probably end up putting the gloss black one on because yeah, I just probably end up putting the gloss black on. And then I'm debating, I don't know if I might do the rear bumper swap. I might just end up doing the rear diffuser and slapping that hole on here. So I don't know. And then I gotta get that fixed and shit like that. But yeah, we might end up just doing the rear diffuser. I don't know yet, man, because they got the rear tail lights. If I end up buying the rear tail lights, the newer style tail lights, then I can just do that way, and then just keep the back end because it don't look bad, especially if I add that rear diffuser on there and get that look of the newer styles. I don't know yet. That's just more money to be spending, so I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below what y'all think. I'm finna switch back to the 0.5 camera. So all right, y'all, so we back in the 0.5 camera. So yeah, as I was saying about the rear bumper, I don't know. I might just end up ordering that rear diffuser and getting rid of those and slapping that on. I don't know yet. We gonna see though, because that'll be $200 for the bumper, $200 for the tail lights. It'll be like a $500 swap. And I'm actually tired of, honestly, I'm kind of low-key tired of swapping stuff on this car. So I don't know. We might just end up doing that way, or just upgrading to the newer tail lights, and then just ordering those, and then just keeping this with the newer front end. And yeah, that'll be the dead giveaway that it's a 20. You know, you feel me? So let me get a thumbnail. Feel me? And then, I don't know, y'all. Y'all let me know down in the comment section down below, man, what y'all think. If I should do the rear bumper swap, because I honestly don't know. Like, looking at this, it don't look bad, you feel me? Like, it don't look bad at all. Now that I'm looking at the angles of it, like, it don't look too bad. But y'all let me know down in the comment section, like I said. We're gonna go on back, get back in the car, and then, yeah. Y'all let me know. Alright, whatever. Alright. Seatbelt on. Alright, y'all. So, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, turn that post bell notification on so y'all don't miss a drop. Let me know what type of videos y'all want to see. It is about to feel a little bit better outside next week, so I will be dropping more content. Make sure y'all stay tuned for the video Saturday. I'm gonna be taking the car to the exhaust shop so we can get that exhaust leak fixed, and yeah, just get that shit fixed and taken care of, so we ain't got to worry about that. Appreciate it. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video, man. Peace.